Many coffee lovers find themselves frustrated by inconsistent brews and complicated machines. That's why we've narrowed it down to the top 5 Nespresso machines available on Amazon in 2026. Each of these models has unique features that cater to different preferences and lifestyles. Stick around, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you with its exceptional convenience and quality. Remember, the links to every product are in the description below, so you can check current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Nespresso Vertuo Next Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker. The Nespresso Vertuo Next Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker is perfect for those who want versatility in their coffee experience without sacrificing quality. This machine offers a unique brewing system that uses centrifugal force to extract the best flavors from coffee grounds. With a sleek design and compact size, it easily fits into any kitchen space. One of its standout features is the larger water tank, which means fewer refills for busy mornings. However, with its reliance on Nespresso's proprietary pods, some users may find the ongoing cost a bit high. This model is ideal for anyone who values both espresso and coffee, but may want to explore other coffee options occasionally. CHULUX Upgrade Bafè-Pro Espresso Machine. The CHULUX Upgrade Bafè-Pro Espresso Machine is designed for espresso enthusiasts who appreciate a strong, bold cup of coffee. This machine boasts a professional-grade brewing system that heats water quickly and evenly, ensuring that every shot of espresso is rich and flavorful. It's compact and user-friendly, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced baristas looking for a budget-friendly option. A practical feature is its adjustable steam wand, which lets you create velvety microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. However, its smaller water tank may require frequent refills during heavy use, which could be a drawback for those who entertain often. Nespresso Gran Lattissima by Deluxe. For those who love lattes and cappuccinos, the Nespresso Gran Lattissima by Deluxe is a game changer. It features an automatic milk frother, allowing you to create cafe-style beverages at home with just one touch. The sleek design and high-quality materials make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It offers multiple drink options, including warm milk and hot water for tea, making it incredibly versatile. Its intuitive touchscreen interface is a strong point, simplifying the brewing process even for newcomers. However, its price point may be higher than other models, which could deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's ideal for anyone passionate about milk-based coffee drinks. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker. The Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker is a fantastic option for those seeking a user-friendly machine that delivers coffee shop quality brews. This versatile device accommodates a range of cup sizes, from espresso to travel mugs, making it perfect for any occasion. With its innovative barcode technology, the machine automatically adjusts brewing parameters based on the pod used, ensuring optimal flavor extraction every time. It also features a quick heat-up time, allowing you to enjoy your coffee almost instantly. While it excels in performance, some users may find the machine a bit bulky for smaller countertops. It's perfect for busy households or anyone who enjoys entertaining guests. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker by the Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker by is our top pick for 2026. And for good reason. This machine combines elegance with high functionality, impressing users with its ability to brew a variety of coffee styles from a single machine. The Vertuo line's patented extraction technology delivers full-bodied flavor while ensuring the perfect crema on your espresso. Ideal for both coffee aficionados and casual drinkers, it offers a straightforward, one-touch operation that simplifies your morning routine. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to fit into any kitchen setup. A minor drawback is its dependency on Nespresso pods, which can add up in cost over time. But the convenience and quality often outweigh this concern for many users. If you're ready to elevate your coffee experience, any of these Nespresso machines can make your mornings more delightful. Make sure to click the links in the description to check current prices and find the best option for your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful reviews and recommendations.